This video will demonstrate how to use the GESS Technologies H Series configuration tool to scan the network and modify IP addresses. Once you launch the H Series IP config tool, it will immediately start to scan your network. We'll change the IP type to IPv4 and then refresh. This will better organize and display the results scanned on your network. As you can see, we've discovered 3 devices on the network: an HCVR, an NVR, and an IP camera. Double-click on the line for the device that we would like to modify the IP address of. Now that we're logged in, we can either click on DHCP to let the router assign us an address, and if you do, hit save. But in our case, we're going to manually assign an IP address of 189. But before that, before hitting save, we want to first check that 189 is not being used by another device. So you open up command prompt and type in ping and then the IP address of the device we want to change. As you can see here, we're getting replies back from 189, so we're not going to use that address as it's being used by another device. So we're going to change it to 190 and we'll ping 190. And as you can see, the host is unreachable, meaning that there is nothing on 190, so we're free to use that address there. So we're going to hit save. The config tool will now prompt us that it has successfully changed the IP of our device, and then we'll hit refresh. You can see in command prompt 190 is starting to reply, and in the config tool we are able to now see 190 as the new IP address for our device. Now you might be on 2 networks at the same time, Wi-Fi and hardlined, so if you click on the NIC drop-down menu and select your second network and then refresh, you'll be able to scan and search devices on your second network. Repeat the same steps to log in and modify the IP address of your selected device. Remember, if you're changing the IP address manually and not DHCP, to ping the IP address before hitting save. This will prevent any IP conflicts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.